Welcome. My name is Phil Lieberman. I'm president of Lieberman Software Corporation. Today we're going to take a look at how we integrate with System Center Configuration Manager and how we can give you better control over your privileged identities used in both Windows and non-Windows systems. If you're using Configuration Manager today, you know that there are certain situations where you need to get root level or administrative access to the systems that you're using. The problem is that generally this is very hard to do. Let me show you an easy way of doing it. If you're starting out with Configuration Manager, and you're starting out with a series of different systems, and let's say one of these systems goes down, such as A. Now you need to get root level access to it. How are you going to do it? So we have a solution that's really cool. We have a product called Enterprise Random Password Manager, ERPM. What this product does is it maintains all of the privileged identities on all of your systems at the same time. Through our integration pack with Configuration Manager, we can now give you delegated access to that information. Not only that, with regard to the auditors, they now get complete transparency as to who's using these credentials, why, where, and for what reason. So what I'd like to do now is I'd like to turn it over to Chris Stoneff, and he's going to go ahead and give you a demo of this product.
Tonight, a user will attempt to log on to a workstation and will fail with an error message indicating that the domain cannot be contacted and a reboot has not fixed the problem. The network interface appears to be down. Group policy has expressly disabled logon caching, plus no one on the IT staff has ever logged on to the workstation and aren't administrators anyways. Lieberman Software's Enterprise Random Password Manager has been managing the privileged identities in this enterprise, such as the service accounts and built-in administrators on all systems, including this one experiencing a problem tonight. The SCCM administrator can recover the password for the local administrator account on this system directly through the SCCM interface where he is already working for an upcoming software deployment. The admin right-clicks on the target system, selects Password Management, and Recover Privileged Password, and is then prompted for a username and password. This interface does also support integrated authentication if the web application is configured to do so. The SCCM administrator will now select the account from the available accounts that they can recover, select Recover the Password, and click OK, at which point the password for the system is displayed to them. They can now take this password and fix the problem for the user.
Thanks, Chris. Great demo. In summary, today most organizations really don't have any strategy for managing privileged identities. What we're proposing today is a solution to you that will provide you with a secure way of managing privileged identities. Not only that, give you access to them within your System Center Configuration Manager environment. The win-win of this entire solution is that today, with our integration, you can make your auditors happy, you can provide yourself with a secure environment. And not only that, this can all be done in a very, very short period of time. What I'd like to do now is talk to you about how you can try out the solution yourself. If you're already a customer of ours and are already using Enterprise Random Password Manager, you can download the integration pack for SCCM today. On the other hand, if you are not familiar with privileged identity management, you can contact us. We'll give you a quick overview of our solution and then also provide you with a VM, either in Hyper-V format or also in VMware format for you to try out immediately. If you don't have the resources today to set up a proof of concept, you can use our server farm. Our server farm has over 100 machines that you can play around with and try different scenarios with System Center Configuration Manager, SCOM, and other Microsoft products in concert with managing large numbers of systems that have privileged identities. Thanks for attending. For more information, please contact us.